What's up, guys? The Flying Tech here, and as you can see, I've got a motor that's gone bad on me. So we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you how, and we'll do it together. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to remove this whole ring here. We're going to take up that prop, going to get rid of that motor, desolder it, resolder the new one, put everything back together, and it'll be good as new. Take note of the wiring before disconnecting anything. Red to the far left, yellow in the middle, black to the far right. And it should look a little something like this when you're done. And there you have it. Alright guys, the next thing to do is take her in the field and test her out, so I'll meet you there.